Assalamualaikum dear teachers, I hope all of you are good. So this is the Google Forms where you have to make the paper. So first of all you have to simply search Google Forms on Google like this, and then click on the first link. Sign in with your account details, like you must have Google account for that, okay? Once you are done, simply click here blank form, and here you can write the description of your the title of your form. For example, my title is computer exam. So simple, delete this one, and it saves automatically, so you have to be quick. Just simply write here computer. We can change the title in the like when we are done with the quiz also. Computer exam. And okay, so now this is the options, these are the questions. This is the place where we add the questions. For example, first of all I will write here the question, and here I can choose if the type of the question. For example, if it is short answer, I will click here. If it is a paragraph question, simply select this one. Check boxes, drop down menus, multiple choice, file upload if you want the students to upload the file. For example, you have given the question where the students will upload the file. Select this option, okay? Like you have given any artwork or any group task, so you will select this option. Now my first question is multiple choice, so simply I will select this, okay? And from here I will write here how where to click when we save our file. So this is the question which I have made. Before adding the question, first of all go to settings and make sure you select this option. Now if you want to see the marks immediately after students are done, simply select this option, but the students will also see the marks. If you want to review the marks and then like write the answers, click this one, later after manual review. Now missed questions, don't show it to students, okay? Or if you want to show it to students, just simply select this option. Correct answers, if you want the students to see the correct answers, select this one, but here we don't want to see, so simply remove this. And the answer, the points for point values, I will just uncheck this one also, because I don't want to see my students the marks when they enter. First I will review the quiz or the test, then I will enter the marks by myself. And then done. Default settings are also done. Now simply go to questions and here write the answers. So option 1, I write here for example file tab. Option 2, just simply I'll click here and home tab. Same like this, you can add as many options as you can from here. Now if I am done with this question, leave this 1 point for this question, okay? And if you want to add one more question, click here add question. And if this question is for example a short answer, simply click here and select the short answer option. Short answers mean like 2-3 lines answer. So I will write here for example write what is empathy, for example, okay? Now here the students can enter the short answer, okay? And this question, if I want to change the points, I can go here, change the points to 2. Make all other answers as incorrect. I don't want to add the answers by myself. If you want to add a correct answer, you can also add a correct answer here, okay? For example, I write here correct answer, um, it is the first step in design thinking, okay? Now this is the, according to me, just correct answer, this example. And I will stick this one, make mark all other answers as incorrect, because if the students have done any other answer except for this answer, it will be incorrect. incorrect. But I don't want to do that because I want my students to write their own answers and their own words. So simply click done when you are done with this. Okay, now this correct answer will not be shown to students. This is only you are seeing it. They will only see the form. And here also you can add the correct option if you want to add. But I don't want to add the correct option because most students they know the answer. So they can select this one or this one according to them. And here also I can give them the feedback. Once the answer is done, correct answers, you can enter the feedback here, like improve more. And if there are incorrect answers, correct answers, very good. You can write in very good. So once they are done, you can simply add the feedback here. Okay. So these are for the correct answers, and for incorrect answers, you can write by yourself. Now, once you are done with your form and all the settings which I have told you, see the points are now 3 because first question is by default for 1 point, and second question I have changed the points to 2. So once you are done with this, you can also add your correct answer here. The students can add. The students will only see this form, okay, and you can also change it to, because my internet is slow here, ICT quiz. Okay, and then simple erase this one. Now, once you are done with this, simply click on publish. You can add more questions also. Okay, if you want to add more questions, just simply click here, add more questions, add more questions. Okay, just click the plus option because we have the big test for 15 marks, so you can add more questions. Okay, and if you have made anything wrong, just simply press Control and Z. Control Z to undo. Okay, same like we do in the MS Word. Now publish. If you want to review your quiz, how it will look like to students, click on preview options. So preview. This is how your students will look. Okay, the students will see like this your quiz. They will see the title, ICT quiz, computer exam. Okay, email record as the email. Okay, this one is all the options will be sent to my email in my Google Drive or my Google Forms. Okay, where to click on the save or file tab. Okay, and what is the answer for empathy? Just write the answer here and then you can submit for any answer. And this is just for checking. So okay, so I cannot submit because I'm only previewing, seeing the quiz. Okay, now this is how you will your students will see the quiz. If there are more questions, they can also see more. So I'll just clear the form. Okay, and then go back to the quiz. Now I want to publish the quiz. First, I have to preview. I will check if I made any mistake. Then I will check with the book or the notebook if the questions are correct or I have written the correct options or no. Once I have previewed all of my quiz exam, click on the publish option. Then anyone with the link they can respond to the quiz. Okay, and you can also manage this one if you want to manage. Click publish. Now this is the link for your Google form. You can also shorten the URL, but anyways, just copy this one, and you can send it to email to the other students or the in the class groups, in the like parents if they have missed. So you can send directly to the parents and the students, and once they open the link, they will see this like this link, Google Forms, ICT quiz, and then they can enter their answers and they will submit. Now, once the student have submitted the quiz, you will see responses here. Okay, and if you want to link sheets, for example, if you want to add your Excel sheet, I don't have Excel sheet with me, where the students record is already there, like their names and the class names. You can enter your link your sheet also. Okay, you can create the new one, like for example, if you are in 4A, you can create a new link also, but that will take so much time for you to enter every student's name, and then automatically the Google will like enter the marks for that students, that this student has submitted this response. Okay, now one response I will show you here how I submit this with. Let me show you. Cancel. Okay, so this is my Google Drive, Google Forms. So this is the response which was submitted by my students ICT quiz. Just see, 2 responses are here. So this is how I will see the responses. Okay, individually, if I want to check, I can check individual answers. This is for the student, and he got full marks. Okay, and all the response, they can also insert the file if they want, because I have given the option to insert the file. And the second page, the second student also here. So these are the forms how they will they will respond to the quiz. This is how you will see the quiz, and you can then enter the marks here by yourself. Or if you have entered the scores by yourself, the Google will do it by itself. Okay, so no need to just write the questions. No, sorry, write the marks. Okay. Now, if you have any further questions, just let me know. I'll help you again. No problem. Thank you, and have a nice day.